This conference will.
Hey Jenny, can you see the screen all right? Can you hear me all right? All right, great. Okay, let's get started. Right, good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 8th of October. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, Bitcoin is back testing the daily middle band and not getting through it so far. It's also testing just slightly above it, the 200 DMA. Which is at 63,542, and the daily middle band is at 63,175. Is there any news in the last day? Yes. The head and shoulders on Bitcoin, which had been hanging tough and had survived, failed. So we've no longer got a downside target from that. I have drawn in a potential flag that could be forming here, but it's weakened by the fact we don't have flag setups on the other two. Looking at Ethereum, again, backtesting the daily middle band, again, holding so far. I would note that as long as the daily middle bands are holding as resistance, then we're really in a downtrend. So obviously, if we are going to see some serious upside, then those are going to have to break. We will see how that goes. Looking at the Ethereum shorter-term charts, not an awful lot to see. So we'll see how it goes. I don't have any obvious pattern set up here. We had a lovely double top. That's obviously ancient history now. I am still wondering about a possible test of these lows, but at the moment I'm not seeing much indication that we're going to see that. No early sell signals at the moment, nothing on the 15-minute either. Looking at Solana, Solana is testing the daily middle band as well. I mean, the same comments apply there. We're testing the 50 DMA as support at the moment, but the same comments apply there. While we're under the daily middle band, there is an overall downtrend happening and a larger possibility that we could see a decline. I think I'm also being influenced by what I'm seeing on equities here, where of course they're holding the daily middle band as support. I'm thinking those might see a break and we see a modest-ish retracement over the next few days, and we would see what happened on Solana. Could we be forming a flag here? Arguably, although to be honest, I think it would be a little large compared to really this trend here, which is what it would be forming against. But we could be forming a falling wedge here, and I would be wondering possibly about a test of the support here in the 127 area at the moment. We'll see how that goes. I see a possibility of a retest down here at 110.02. I'm just not seeing an awful lot to back it up from, well, anything. So we haven't got any current daily sell signals. Really just looking at equities for that. And to be honest, it may well not deliver. So I've drawn that in. That is a possibility. And if we get down to this support here, I'd really be thinking in terms of this being a buy. We shall see. All right, great. Just have a very quick look at Avalanche. We had a sell signal. It made target. Sorry, I haven't updated the signs there. Is there anything on the hourly chart? No, not really. This could be a bear flag. And this actually is not a bad looking IHS, which is broken up with a target in about the 28.5 area, but there's not a huge amount to work with. So really, I think we're probably waiting for equities, and there's a decent chance that we will see at least a bit more downside, but the downside window is closing on equities. Really, it goes up into late October. Beyond that, really, I'm just leaning towards the upside. We'll see how that goes, but at the moment, there isn't anything on the pattern setup that says different. So we shall see. All right, great. In that case, my pleasure as always. Let's have a quick look at questions. Yeah, my pleasure, Jenny. It's all right, great. So I think that's a wrap. I'll catch you guys later.